Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Simply Shanaz. Today, I'm going to talk about a very important topic in today's world, which is COVID 19. Yes, I'm going to talk about life after COVID 19. The coronavirus pandemic has completely changed our day to day life. This has happened on an individual level as our routines have been abandoned in favor of social distancing. It's also occurring on larger societal, economical, and political levels. Though no one knows how long it will last, the pandemic will eventually end. Many of the enormous changes that have happened in response to the virus will likely return to normal. Some things, however, may never go back to the way they were. The outbreak has affected so many parts of life for so many people that it stands as a pivotal point in history that fundamentally alters the way we live. The experts believe that these will among the major changes that will take place in the post-coronavirus world. Number 1. Digital transformation of the medical industry will hasten. Traditionally, all pharmaceutical companies have depended upon large armies of medical representatives. These are women and men who go from clinic to clinic to introduce doctors to new medicines and products. The lockdown has taken all the boots off the ground. This is where medical apps are predicted to take over. Not only will they introduce doctors to new products, but also connect them with patients who have suddenly realized that most of their ailments can be cured without having to step out of their homes. It's likely to discover Flipkart, Myntra, or Amazon the ability to shop or for whatever you want without going to the mall, which brings us to the next likelihood. 2. Online shopping will only increase. Flipkart started by selling books. Today, it sells practically everything you can think about. We have come a long way from non trusting e commerce sites to being almost entirely dependent on them. Almost every major supermarket has an e commerce website or app that helps you shop from home. Even luxury brands have been getting onto the online bandwagon. Closer home, local grocery stores have turned to their own version of online shopping, encouraging their customers to place orders on WhatsApp. If anything, our dependence on online shopping will only rise because no one wants to catch a virus at a shop. Travel will reduce. This is probably a no-brainer, but while personal travel will likely be hit out of fear of catching coronavirus while on vacation, business travel will be hit for a different reason altogether: budget cuts. As most businesses and government face one of the worst recessions since the Great Depression, everyone will be looking to cut corners. Meetings that were supposed to happen in person are already happening in Zoom or Skype. Businesses will be inclined to continue this practice and restrict business trips only essential meetings. Insurance companies are likely to see a rise in their business. According to the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, life insurance penetration in India is at 3.69% and remains one of the lowest in the world. Investment experts believe that the life-threatening pandemic is predicted to change the cavalier outlook to life insurance and are expecting a surge in the sales of insurance policy in the coming months. Never before we felt more vulnerable or threatened as we have with this pandemic. We have been made aware for our fatality and indeed our mortality, and that's only going to mean good news for the insurance companies. Number 5. Work from home may actually be encouraged. It's safe to say that we tend to look down upon the work from home culture, but if there's something that these weeks of lockdown have shown us, it's that a remote worker can still be productive. As businesses look towards reducing their expenses, it is not entirely unlikely that they would prefer moving to similar or smaller workspaces and get more of their workforce to operate remotely. Last but not the least, we will be warrior as a people. Whether it's a handshake or drink by the bar, coronavirus has tainted practically everything around us. Things that were earlier only seen as being in a germaphobe's territory, like washing currency notes and keys, are now the norm because we're all very scared. Every time we look at someone extend their hands for a handshake, we are likely going to be a little bit wary about taking that hand. As a people, we will likely be tad warrior about our surroundings than we have ever been. Do you agree with this? What are the other changes you think will happen in the post coronavirus world? Share your opinions in the comment box below. If you have not subscribed yet, click the subscription button and the bell icon to get regular updates about my channel. If you have any suggestions or comments, write in the comment box below, or you can contact me at connectwithshanaz@gmail.com. This email ID is provided in the description box. Meet you in another interesting topic. You have a good day.